Hi, this is Ivan Gasparetto from BIM Direct. Today I'm going to put my project manager's hat on and I'm going to show you how to allocate people to your project. So first of all, you log in, of course, and then the first thing you see at the left hand side of the dashboard is the My Projects panel. Here you have these demo projects that I have created. Don't worry if you see that an airport is going to be built in Dorking, it's actually not going to happen. So once you arrive at the About page, you get here at the right hand side the project stakeholders panel, which lists everybody that's linked to your project with specific roles. I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to create or allocate someone. You just click on the click to edit, and then you get here this drop down in this model panel. And if the person is not here yet, all you have to do is click add contact and then type their details here and just click save. If the person if the company that the person works for is not here yet, all you have to do is click add organization, type the organization name, type the abbreviation, and save it. Their organization will pre-select here. The person will be then added to the list of people that you have in your drop down, and you continue. That person will automatically and magically get an email inviting them to be part of your project. The system is clever at the back end, and it will check if that email address already exists as a user. If it doesn't, it will create an account, and if it does, it will just send the invitation to collaborate out. So that's how you assign people to your project. In BIM Direct, we have a relationship of one-to-one between project owner and the project, but we have a relationship of many-to-one between the collaborators and the projects. And that's because we want to get input from as many people as possible at the beginning of the project. Don't forget that BIM is a collaborative process, and you need to try to involve as many people as the beginning of the process as you can. So let's say, for example, you are creating a glass building with curved glass, and you have very specific requirements. For example, it needs to be bulletproof. I don't know, maybe because it's the new American embassy, and you want to it needs to be super secure. So what you have to do is to involve a glass manufacturer, even though you don't know yet if who is going to provide the glass. You have to have someone alongside you to provide some input and advice, so that you then write the project scope correctly and you get the best outcome out of it. So alright, so once you have created the list of stakeholders and assigned them all here in this panel, all you have to do is to go to the events page, where you're going to create all your stages and create different types of events under each stage. So for example, meetings, data drops, package release, and milestones. Let me actually go to another project and demonstrate how easy it is to insert the default stages. So let's say this project uses Reba Plan of Works, and it starts next month on the 2nd of July here. And once I click OK, you see that as we are going to get magically all the stages, and you see that they are going to be 1 month long to start. You can click to edit. You can click here if you want and change the start date or the end date, doesn't matter. Or you can also click here and change the title, change the color, change the start, end date, and the tasks. This text comes from the Reba Plan of Works. It's all pre-populated for you. Kudos for them to have written this before. And you can also create intermediate stages. This is a question that a lot of people ask me, so I thought it was important to tell here. You can create a stage I don't know, for B or for A, for B, for C, because you want to have something in between stage 4 and 5. You organize your project in that way. You are free to do anything you want really as a project manager. You don't want to be locked to a specific way of work, no? So let's say for this stage, I want to add my first meeting here, and this is going to be my meeting one where I'm going to get everybody together to talk about it, and the date is the 2nd here. Actually, I'm going to do on the 3rd because on the 1st I'm going to be doing something else. I put some sort of description here, doesn't matter now, and I click continue. The meeting appears here. Alright, so then I can visualize my my plan on a Gantt. For the Gantt lovers, I can add another event here easily, meeting, and instead of on the 3rd I'm gonna put this on the 4th, just to and I want this to be a red one because it's an important one. I don't know, let's put less. Okay, that's a good color. And then I put some description here again, and I do continue, and I can also link them. I can say this link is dependent on that one, exactly like you link in a Gantt chart. You can also visualize everything here on a calendar view. June doesn't have anything, of course. July, there we go, the 2 meetings are there. This is a task. Let me change the name here to meeting. Sorry. Okie dokie. And it should update. There we go, my my table. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.